Hasn't our life expectancy fallen below 50 for men? And very near 50 for women. What kind of country are we living in? Currently, who is suffering in Nigeria? Even the Biafran territory is less attacked than any other territory. Kidnapping, which we thought was a Niger Delta affair, has moved to the middle belt. The killing, which we thought was for Biafrans alone, had moved to the middle belt. No, it has not only stayed in the middle belt, it has moved to the northwest. It's there in Zamfara. It's entering Sokoto. It's even in the president's own state of Katsina. People are killed every day. We don't even know how to talk about the northeast, which have been devastated and destroyed. Every day we are told so many kind of propaganda that we have defeated Boko Haram, we are in charge and all this and all that. But what is on ground is quite different from what we are being told. We have to be